How to find and see your messages on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is scroll down and go to the profile here icon. Go to your profile. This is my profile as you can see. Now go down until you find your account option and click see all right here. After you click see all, now all what you have to do is go down until you find the messages option, and here is it right here. On the message center you will find your messages. Click on it, and now as you can see right here you will find your messages. Click on all messages, and here you go. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.